once in a while, you will create a form and you'll get some feedback. People who are filling out the form, they might send you an email and say, "Hey, Barbara, what were you thinking?" I know that would never happen at your organization.
No, never. And they'd always be so polite, even if they were.
Right. But if you do need to modify a template, it's very simple. Now, remember that all of our options are here on the Developer tab. The first thing that we need to do, because this is a template, so we went in and searched for the template, we want to modify that, is that we need to unrestrict this. So over here in restricted editing, we need to uncheck this box that you can only fill in the form. So let's do that. And let's say that people complained that they had to fill in this date field, that they wanted to fill it in how they wanted to fill it in. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that I grab it on the tab here, and then let's go through and let's just hit delete and delete that. So now they can go in and they can type in whatever they want to type in there, okay? And probably from the branch's point of view, they don't care about when the money comes in. They just want it to come in for the donation. So we have that completed. We would need to come back and turn on the editing restrictions again. And then we would go save the template, and then it would be updated.
Okay.
Something else that you might want to do, if we come back to the document that had information, is a lot of times you want to extract this information and put it maybe in an Excel spreadsheet.
Sure.
So you can highlight all of the information and copy that, and then you can come over to Excel, and I went ahead and copied the labels here, and then go ahead and paste it.
Oh, okay.
Let me just make this column a little bit longer.
Is there a way to just grab a bunch of them at once?
Sure, you can do that through creating a macro, which we'll talk about in another module.
Okay.
But for this purposes, you know, in general, I have this in a horizontal. I could make this vertical by copying and then pasting it and transposing it. So you can put it in whatever form you need it to be in order to manipulate your new database.
That's wonderful. I can see using this several ways.
Yeah, this would be a really great opportunity to maybe create a mailing list, for instance, because if they're donating to your organization, then they probably want to receive additional information from it as well.